Good morning. Today's plan is to go to Hvar. Hopefully it works out. The bus leaves in like 5 minutes, so let's get moving. So over there is probably our bus. Let's try to catch it, which we will probably not be able to do. Probably missed that, but there's still some chance, but it's not as huge. Okay, we actually managed to catch it.
Oh, are you going to Hvar, please? 11:45.
Okay. Long story short, we probably missed the bus because it runs on some kind of special timetable or something. The earliest bus from now leaves at roughly 11:45 or something. Right now we're going to the accommodation back and just have normal breakfast because we have got roughly 1 hour of time. Second attempt on getting to the bus stop and actually successfully embarking the bus. We're in the bus already. It's like 70 for 2 people, so 35, €5. So yeah, I made it to the city center of Hvar. The bus is actually around, but the timetable is new because today is the first day after the season, so they changed the timetable a bit. But first of all, let's probably try and eat something. Hvar is like the biggest town on the island Hvar. I think Starigrad is the second biggest. After a very good pizza, we're heading to the cliffs, which is probably like 2 kilometers. So far, like, views are very cool. There's also like city center over there, I would say. A lot of boats, yachts, and stuff like that. This is like a tunnel that leads to the cliff jumping spot. I looked it up on the internet and it was like go through a tunnel and then directly go left. This should be the route. Seems like this is the spot. Let's check out these ones. Oh yeah, that one's definitely going to be quite a challenge, especially this one. Look at this. This could be like 10 meters at least. Good luck with that, I mean. He survived. My friend's going to attempt from somewhere over there. Wow, I mean, it must have been like at least 12 meters. I would never be able to jump from such height. Maybe, I mean, maybe I'll try to do that, but how was it? I mean,
it was great. Part of when I hit the water with my ass, it hurt so bad.
Well, the time of the sunset is coming close, so we'd like to go to viewpoint over Hvar to see a very nice sunset. We would like to go right over there at the top. Alright, so this is the path, basically a steep ascent. But yeah, it's going to be a very nice sight up there, hopefully. So far it looks very nice. We still have got quite a long way up, and of course down as well. We set a very fast pace. This is the other side. I think somewhere over there in the back there's mainland Croatia, and yeah, the sun is still quite high, but we made it so we can chill right now. So the sun has already set. Looks very magical, very nice. Still have got roughly 2 hours until the bus leaves, so yeah. There's also like a bench over here where you can just sit. It was occupied when we were here, but right now it's empty, so you can enjoy.
Ono dole, ono je kazalište, ona druga najveća.
Just got to our town, Starigrad. Michael, are you satisfied with this day or not much?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10, so it's better than yesterday, because yesterday was like 8. So let's aim for tomorrow be the 10 out of 10. Hopefully you had a great time as well, and see you tomorrow.